Alright, so another part of video. Not like that behavior. So welcome back to the tropical country.
That all person and baggage are subject to search at any time as mandated by Philippines Custom Law Section 2210 and 2212. Thank you for your cooperation. Here's a special announcement. All guests report to undergo a temporary check upon arrival at the terminal. You need to adhere to this requirement by yourself to immediate action if in advance. You may contact the quarantine officers at the airport for more information. Dear guests, to promote and seamless customer experience with AirAsia, please prepare your e-travel QR code to be presented to the Bureau of Customs Officer upon disembarkation.
Okay, we're gonna discuss the e-travel.
Of the Philippine government on safety and security, which should be accomplished at least 72 hours
Sa tourism,
prior to report.
no.
It's available online via www.etravel.gov.ph. Support your cabin crew. Should you encounter any problems registering on the platform, so we can proceed to the ground staff. Also, if you're planning to bring in takeout, local foreign currencies to and from the Philippines, take note of these steps. For Philippine legal tender notes, coins, checks, money orders, and other bill, in exchange for an amount exceeding 50,000 pesos, a prior authorization for amount to Central and Pilipinas will be secured. Bring in either taking out foreign currency or monetary instrument exceeding 10,000 USD, or its equivalent in other foreign currency must also be declared. A foreign currency declaration form will be accomplished upon arrival at or departure from a Philippine airport. It may be obtained from custom officers in the arrival or departure areas, or may be downloaded from the PSP website. Not declaration or false declaration of the export.
Guys, it's so foggy. We're almost landing in Manila. Okay. It's the continuation of the video. Later, I apologize if I will delete it because I just want YouTube, but I'll upload. Kaulan na pala, it's amihan. So medyo malamig na rin ang Pilipinas. It's happiness. It's good. Awesome. We're almost there. We're in the Philippine area. Okay. for the arrivals. So it's Capitex. I mean, that's Capitex. And we are here. We're home. I'm home and
Dear guests, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. At the moment, we're proceeding to NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper disembarkation. The time now is 39 minutes past the hour of 5 in the afternoon. We're pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt signs has been switched off. The door has been opened for you to plane. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving this aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of Captain Nandi Guevara, First Officer, Head Seo, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for choosing AirAsia and happy holidays, everyone. And to OFWs, welcome home. This is an important safety announcement, except in case of water landing. Removal and bringing a flight bus outside this aircraft is a criminal offense and punishable by law. For passengers traveling with infants or were given the infant life vest, please return them to the cabin crew before leaving this aircraft. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalalapang po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3. Ang oras po ngayon ay 39 na minuto makalipas ang 5 ng hapon. Mangyari po lamang.
alright.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas po! Hope you guys enjoy Japan! Now, we are home. I'm home. So, feeling ko maraming tao sa airport mamaya. Maraming magtatag sa papuntang. So, Osaka will always be in our hearts. Thank you, Japan.
This is a special announcement for those connecting flight. Kindly clean your luggage before proceeding to next flight for custom clearance. Once again, for those connecting flight, kindly clean your luggage before proceeding to next flight for custom clearance. Thank you for flying with AirAsia. Welcome to Manila.
Dear guests, the forward door is now open. Thank you for flying AirAsia and welcome to Manila and happy holidays.
Alright. Back to motherhood, motherland. So, this is the best scenario that I enjoyed. Merry Christmas! Thank you! Merry Christmas sa inyo! Lakbay ulit soon! Back to our tropical country. enjoyed Osaka so much. We're back to reality. Alright. Mag-grab na tayo pa uwi. Welcome back to the Philippines.
Ate, you go first. You go first. So I can see you.
Si mother nasaan eh. So, yes. Back to home. Back to So guys, I'm home. We're home already. And yan nga. Nasa bahay na tayo. United.
All passengers, please attend to your baggage. All rooms within the house are furnished from strangers. Unattended baggage will be reviewed by our security personnel and subjected to routine inspection. Your attention please for your safety. We advise all passengers to use only official airport taxis available at the designated stand outside our regular area. Please avoid accepting ride offers from individuals outside the terminal. They are not occurrence. Airport security is actively monitoring the area for your protection. Thank you. Paalala po para sa inyong kaligtasan, sumakay lang sa mga official airport taxi na matatagpuan sa inyong talagang sakaya sa labas ng regular area. Iwasan po mga patuloy mo rin ang sa airport security upang manilang ang maayos at ligtas sa biyahe ng lahat. Maraming salamat.
So, if we cannot say this, but anytime soon, let's get ready for another USA flight, for a long flight sooner, anytime soon. I wish for another long flight. Right? There's the line. Haba nito, oh. Padulo kasi tayo. So, it's 6 p.m. now. So, automatic date time no, sa Japan, 7 p.m. So, medyo pa. Basta joke. Siguro pag uwi, matutulog na ako kasi or magre-rest na kasi pagod ako sa flight. Sorry. Ay, na-delete.
Tinanong na yung mask.
Okay.
The immigration, alam mo na.
I will off the video.
Dito ka na mag-video.
Oh na, Ninang, pag nandun, promise. Dito, hanggang dito na lang, I will stop the video there na, Ninang. Ano naman pag dun eh.
They on the right, people are in a rush. Martin.
We're back home, no? Video is not allowed anymore. Wait, why? Okay, I guess I will end the video right now kasi pagod na rin ako. So, I'll see you in the next vlog, which is another vlog. Our next vlog in the Philippines, no? So, we're back to reality. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.